Dr. Davis. This is Shay Sullivan. This is my EDU 462 iPad project, which was done on PowerPoint since I was unable to use Keynote. My lesson is for 5th grade and it's on graphing. So this is my standard MAFS.5.G.1.2. Represent real-world and mathematical problems by graphing points in the first quadrant of the coordinate plane and interpret coordinate values of points in the context of the situation. Okay, so for my first insert of an app, we are going to get the scoop on today's lesson using Telegami.
Hi guys, this is Miss Sullivan here to talk to you about today's graphing lesson. After you have viewed this video, you are going to go to the vocabulary tab and learn all the key terms you need for this assignment. You will then go to the learning tab where I will show you how to plot points on a coordinate plane and explain how you got there. Next, you will head to the word problem and presentation tab where you will create your own situational word problem and make a presentation on Chatterpix. Good luck!
Okay, so that was from Telegami. Next, I used, for my graphing vocabulary, I decided to use Globster. And as you can see, I just wrote all my vocabulary terms on this cute little layout. Next was where I would put my EDU Creations lesson. However, I was unable to save anything on EDU Creations, like for my iPad, without having it cost me an exorbitant amount of money. So right here is my lesson still in EDU Creations. Here we go.
Hi class, this is Miss Sullivan. As you guys all know, we've been working on graphing using a coordinate plane. I want to give you guys a couple of examples on how to graph and explain how you plotted your graph using the directions north, east, south, and west, which I'm going to draw my compass right here to help me. Okay, our first coordinate is going to be 3, 2, which I'm writing right here. Okay, we know that we're going to start from our point of origin, which is right here, and we are going to travel east 3 units at 1, 2, and 3, which will put us right here, and then we are going to travel north 2 units at 1, 2, which will put us right here at our first coordinate. Okay, our next coordinate that we are going to do is 0, 5. All right, so we know that we're going to start again at our point of origin, right here. And since our first number is 0, we know that we are going to travel neither east or west, but we are going to go north 5 units at 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which is going to put us right here at our second coordinate. Okay, so now that we have plotted our 2 coordinates, I want to show you guys how we would travel from our first coordinate to our second coordinate. Before we do that, I'm going to erase some of this stuff. Okay, so as we know, we traveled east 3 units and north 2 units to get to our first point, so we're right here at number 1. And we are going to go ahead and travel west 3 units. And then we are going to travel north another 3 units, which will put us right here at the second coordinate. Okay? So, now I would like you guys to write down coordinates 7, 0, and 2, 6. Okay? I want you guys to get with a partner and explain how you got the 2 coordinates using the directions just like I did in the examples that I showed you. And then I would like you to explain how you would get from the first coordinate 7, 0 to the second coordinate 2, 6. Okay? So just like we did in examples 3, 2, and 0, 5. Alright guys, good luck.
Okay, so as you can see, that was my lesson using EDU Creations. Next here, we have their word problem presentation. This is what they need. They're going to create a situational word problem using 2 points and coordinates. They're going to draw their results on the graph paper with proper labels to hand in, and they're going to create a presentation explaining the problem and give their answer. And this is going to be done in ChatterPix, and this is where I have created an example of the ChatterPix. It's kind of funny.
Susie and Amy are BFFs. Susie wants to surprise Amy by showing up to her house and bringing her a jar of pickles for her birthday. Pickles are Amy's favorite. Amy lives at 5'7", and Susie lives at 2'3". How many blocks will Susie have to travel, and what directions will she take to get there? I got that Susie will have to travel south 4 blocks, and that she will have to travel west 3 blocks, and she will be at Amy's.
Okay, so yeah, that is my example using ChatterPix, and that is the end of my presentation. Thank you so much.